Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove Mailchimp logo from the footer. It's very easy, but first what we need to do is make sure you're logged in. Come here to the top right, click on your profile icon, okay? And then I want you to come here and click on profile right here. So we are in the profile section for account. And then if I click on extras, you will see referrals, okay? Click on referrals, and all you needed to do is come here and toggle this off. Show badge in emails. So this will not be showing, this watermark, this logo will not be showing if I toggle this off. And remember guys, if you are on the free plan, okay, you may not be able to toggle this one off. This is a requirement for the free plans, right? Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.